কথাটা লিখছি না। Hello dear students, my today's topic is vitamins. All of you know something about vitamins, but today I will discuss vitamins in detail. Now, definition of vitamins. Vitamins may be defined as organic compounds required for normal growth and maintenance of health in human beings. They occur in small amount in natural foods but are required in optimal amounts for maintenance of health. Their deficiency leads to disease which can be treated by replenishing them. Vitamins are essential nutrients required for proper utilization of proximate principles of foods like carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Vitamins are discovered following observations of their deficiency manifestation, as for example scurvy, rickets, beriberi, etc. Vitamin derived their name from the initial discovery of some vitamins as amines, which are found vital for body health. Vital plus amine. That means some amines are vital for life. But all vitamins are not amines, hence the letter E was dropped from amine. Some vitamins like vitamin D and niacin are synthesized inadequately in our body. The classification of vitamins. Vitamins are mainly classified into two groups: fat soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, E and K, and water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex groups and vitamin C. First I will start vitamin A among fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A is also called anti-night blindness factor. Vitamin A refers to all natural compounds including retinol, retinal and retinoic acid with vitamin A-like activity. Retinoids refers to all synthetic compounds including the above three having vitamin A-like activity. Retinol is taken as reference vitamin A. The chemistry. Retinol and alcohol is derivative of beta-anion ring with a substituted polyisoprenoid side chain of 11 carbons. Retinal is an aldehyde form and retinoic is acidic form. Provitamin A. Beta carotenes are commonly called provitamin A. These are colored pigments found in colored vegetables like carrots, sweet potato, spinach, etc. One molecule of beta carotene produces two molecules of retinal on cleavage by dioxygenase enzyme. Now look at the picture. This is the structure of beta anion ring and isoprene units. There are three forms of vitamin A. Alcohol form is retinol, aldehyde form contains CHO group and retinoic acid contains COOH group. These are the structures of beta anion ring, isoprene units, retinol, retinal and retinoic acid. Now I am going to discuss about absorption, transport, storage and delivery to target tissues. Absorption of vitamin A. Animal foods contain vitamin A as retinol esters, while plant foods contain as beta carotene. Beta carotenes are absorbed as such, and inside the mucosal cell these are split by dioxygenase into two molecules of retinal. It is reduced to retinol by reductase enzyme and repackaged into chylomicrons after esterification. Retinol esters are hydrolyzed by pancreatic hydrolase enzyme in intestine, and free retinol is absorbed into mucosal cells where it is reconverted into retinol esters and packed into chylomicrons. And transport. Chylomicrons are transported in the blood and are taken up by hepatocytes where retinol esters are released and stored. stored retinol esters are hydrolyzed into free retinol in liver, which combines with retinol binding protein to form a complex. This is secreted into plasma and transported to target tissues. Retinol binding protein retinol complex, on coming in contact with target tissues like eye, skin, gonads, etc., binds to retinol binding protein specific receptors. Free retinol is internalized and retinol binding protein returns to circulation. Inside the target cell, retinol is bound to cellular retinol binding protein CRBP for transport inside the cell. Now, digestion, absorption, storage and transport of vitamin C are depicted in the figure. Look at the figure. Animal foods contain retinol esters, which are hydrolyzed by pancreatic hydrolase into free fatty acids and retinol. They are absorbed into mucosal cells and they are again re-esterified into retinol esters in the mucosal cells and repacked into chylomicrons. Whereas plant foods contain beta carotenes. On absorption into mucosal cells, it is split by dioxygenase enzyme into two molecules of retinol. Retinol is then reduced to retinol by reductase enzyme and it is esterified with fatty acids to form retinol esters and packed into chylomicrons. Chylomicrons through lacteals reaches blood, through blood it reaches liver. In hepatocytes or liver cells, retinol esters enters and it is split into free fatty acids and retinol. Retinol again binds with aporetinol binding protein to form hollow retinol binding protein. It is transported through blood to target cell. In target cell, it is again combines with cellular retinal binding protein and transported in the target cell. Now I will discuss about functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A plays many important functions or roles in our body, particularly in vision. Role of vitamin A in dark vision. Vitamin A plays an important role in vision. The role of vitamin A in dark vision was discovered by scientist G. Wald. Retina has two types of cells called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in dim light and cones are responsible for color vision and vision in bright light. Rhodopsin, which is a visual pigment, is the conjugated protein present in the discs of outer segment of rod cells of retina. It consists of a protein called opsin and 11-cis retinal, which acts as chromophore absorbing light maximally at 500 nanometer. Visual impulse is generated due to hyperpolarization of the rod cell membrane following excitation by light. Rhodopsin present in the disc membrane is coupled on the cytosolic side to G proteins called transducin. 11-cis retinal locks the receptor protein, that is opsin, in its inactive form. Photoexcitation and isomerization leads to activation of G protein and generation of cyclic GMP. Cyclic GMP acts as the gate for cation specific channels. The nerve impulse thus generated in the retina is transmitted to the visual centers in brain. The signal is terminated by phosphorylation of a serine residue of activated rhodopsin. Visual cycle was discovered by G. Wald, and after his name it is named as Wald visual cycle. After light falls on rod cells, photoexcitation of rhodopsin occurs. Rhodopsin undergoes a series of changes producing different intermediates until meta-rhodopsin 2 is formed. Very early during photoexcitation, 11-cis retinal isomerizes to all trans-retinal. In meta-rhodopsin 2, all trans-retinal cannot fit into its central pocket and separates out. Opsin and all trans-retinal are liberated. All trans-retinal is isomerized to 11-cis retinal either in the retina during dark or after it is transported to liver. The 11-cis retinal then combines with opsin to reform a rhodopsin. Dark adaptation. Continued bright light depletes the rods of rhodopsin, and so visual impulse is not generated. Hence, if a person suddenly enters into dark environment like cinema hall from bright light, there is temporary loss of vision or blindness. Shortly, within few minutes, the vision improves. This is due to regeneration of rhodopsin in the dark. This phenomenon is called dark adaptation. The time required for improved vision is called dark adaptation time. It is dependent upon vitamin A status, and it increases in deficiency of vitamin A. Now look at the figure. With the conversion of rhodopsin to meta-rhodopsin 2 by photoexcitation. Rhodopsin is first converted to batho-rhodopsin, then to lumi-rhodopsin, and meta-rhodopsin 1, and finally to meta-rhodopsin 2. The figure below is Wald's visual cycle. After photoexcitation, rhodopsin is split into all transretinal and opsin. All transretinal is isomerized to 11-cis retinal in retina, or it is transported through blood to hepatocytes, where it is reduced to 11-cis retinal. 11-cis retinal then reaches retina and it combines with opsin to form rhodopsin. This is called Wald visual cycle. That is, opsin and 11-cis retinal are recycled. The role of vitamin A in color vision. Cone cells contain a protein called conopsin or photopsin. It combines with 11-cis retinal to form visual pigment. Three types of cones which absorb blue, green and red light are present. Three visual pigments which absorb light of primary color are present. Cyanopsin absorbs blue colored, porphyropsin absorbs red, and rhodopsin absorbs green color. Following photoexcitation, generation of visual impulse by cone is identical to to that of rods. Color blindness. Color blindness refers to inability to distinguish different colors. Various types of color blindness defects are due to abnormality of genes, especially the red and green genes. Now I will discuss other functions of vitamin A. Cellular growth and differentiation. Retinoic acid is implicated in cellular growth and differentiation by regulating the expression of several genes. This is seen in skin, epithelial tissues and gonads, where spermatogenesis takes place. In glycoprotein synthesis, retinoic acid is required in synthesis of N-linked glycoprotein involving dolicol. Role of vitamin A in reproduction. Retinoic acid has a role in spermatogenesis. Retinol is required in normal reproduction. It has been seen that vitamin A deficiency is accompanied by abortion and reabsorption. Antioxidant role of vitamin A. Beta carotene acts as antioxidant in low oxygen tension and plays an important role in combating oxidant induced atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. Now, deficiency manifestations of vitamin A. Common causes of vitamin A deficiency are poor nutritional intake of colored fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamin A, liver diseases leading to inadequate storage and malabsorption of fats, as vitamin A is fat soluble vitamin. It is absorbed with fats. Clinical manifestations of vitamin A deficiency. The visual manifestations or visual features are typically the visual defect is referred to as night blindness, also called nyctalopia. Vision in dim light is reduced. The eye may show the following features: xerophthalmia or dryness of conjunctiva, bitter spots, grayish whitish spots on conjunctiva, keratoconus, that is cone shaped cornea, and keratomalacia, softening and necrotic dissolution of cornea in late stages. এর লাগোয়া হবে এটা ইনঅ্যাডিকুয়েটটা আলাদা হবে ইনটা skin and mucous membrane manifestations. Follicular hyperkeratosis of skin, also called phainoderma, occurs due to increased formation of keratin in follicle, leads to coarse, rough and dry skin. Keratinization of skin, respiratory, genitourinary tract and intestinal mucosa leads to frequent infection. Now the gonadal function or gonadal dysfunction, decreased spermatogenesis and increased abortions are known to be associated with vitamin A deficiency, which may lead to infertility. And the daily requirement of vitamin A. Children requires 400 to 500 microgram or 1200 to 1500 international unit per day. Male persons require 800 to 900 microgram or 2500 to 3000 IU per day. Female need 700 to 800 microgram or 2000 to 2500 IU per day. During pregnancy and lactation, there is extra requirement, that is 100 microgram or 3 1000 microgram or 3000 IU per day. 1 IU is equal to 0.3 microgram of retinol. Now, hypervitaminaceous A. As vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin, excess vitamin in body causes hypervitaminosis A. It is characterized by dry skin, hepatomegaly, raised intracranial pressure which may mimic a brain tumor, and congenital fetal malformations to high intake during pregnancy. Thank you.